How to change language on iPhone. Changing the language on your iPhone is very simple task. You have to simply launch a settings application on your iPhone. Now once you're here under settings, go to general. If you're in a language that you don't understand, open settings and again look for this settings or this gear like icon that says general. Now from general, you want to scroll down and you can see various options. You will find this earth-like or globe-like icon that says language and region. So tap on this blue icon that says language and region. Now here you can see preferred language and here you can see secondary language. So what happens is I can add a language, they'll just keep adding. But if I want to change the language, I have to drag that language to the top. So currently English is at the top. But if I drag this another language by holding these three lines over here, then you can see now it'll ask me applying this setting will restart your iPhone. So you have to simply drag the other language to the top like this if you want to go ahead and then change the language. It's as simple as that. That way you will be able to change your language on iPhone. It's a bit tricky, but yes, that just helps you get the job done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.